Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sporo. Today I'm back with another video. I'm back with an unboxing video. I'm unboxing a ring light I bought. I bought this at Camera Stuff. I bought it about a month ago and I still have not unboxed it. It took like 2 days for this to arrive. I bought it on the 2nd of October. It arrived on the 4th of October as I was actually leaving for a trip to Joburg for 10 days. And since I got back, I haven't really, had a chance to open it. It's so unlike me because the moment a parcel gets delivered, I'm opening it same day. But yeah, so I thought let me just unbox it on the video. You might wonder why is the lighting like this on this video. It's because I'm shooting at night because I want to try out and see exactly if I'm getting what I wanted from this ring light, and I thought maybe shooting at night will really show the lighting better. So here is the big box. So you guys, the ring light I got is the Linkstar LED ring light, RLE322VC. This, here it is over here in the box. I got the bundle deal, which comes with the stand as well. The stand is in this box over here. So I got the ring light for 1,999 Rand on special. It comes with a stand at that price. The normal price is about 2,700 Rand. I did a whole lot of research before I actually bought it. I always do that. I always go online to research stuff I really don't know about. The reason I really wanted to actually have a ring light is so that I can, one, shoot at night. I'm also a freelance makeup artist, so to take perfect pictures for my clients, I needed one. One of the things that I found out is that you need to know the Cree of the ring light when you're purchasing it. It can go from, the Cree goes up to 100. The closer it is to 100, the better the ring light is. So this ring light is 95 Cree, which means that it's closer to natural light. So it's not like it's going to give off artificial light. The lower it is, then it doesn't really give off natural lighting. Even when you light something, it won't show off naturally. I hope I'm making sense. I surprisingly understood exactly what they meant. So when I started looking, I was like, what Cree is it? What Cree is it? And then this one is 95 Cree. So that's great. It's like 5 away from 100. Another thing to look out for when you're buying a ring light is the bi-dimmable ring lights are best. These ring lights have both white light and yellow light. These, you can obviously turn it up and down just to try and get the correct color, and by doing this it will show off the natural tone better by mixing the two colors. There is LED lighting, there's fluorescent lighting as well. This one is LED. Seemingly LED is better than fluorescent, so when these 3 boxes were checked when I got this ring light. The Cree is 95, it's bi-dimmable, and it is LED light. So I was like, yeah, so this can't be a bad choice. Let's just dig in and hopefully I will be happy. It's got a nice bag that you can travel with it around, and it's quite lightweight, so I'm sure I can travel with it around. And sometimes I'll have makeup clients that I actually go to, and I can easily just pack this up and yeah, get nice pictures. It's safely secured in this bag. Secure the bag, sis. It's safely secured in this bag. I don't know what they call this kind of sponge thing, but it is, it can move in here. Let me take it out quickly. this is obviously the stand, and I think I should open this first so that I can mount the ring light on it. So here's the stand. Here is our little ring light, and then these over here, these little dots are the LED beads. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, and this is a diffuser. I will put this a lot of different panels on it, so I will add the other ones later on. Okay, so I've put all the diffusers on all around. This is really not that big. It doesn't say anywhere how big it is. I know the common one is usually 18-inch. This is definitely not 18-inch, but I really don't mind. It's okay. So I'm gonna install the camera bracket, which is this one. Pretty easy. There's a hole over here, one hole, and here's another one on the front here. I'm not pulling a zap sign, you guys. It's just the way I'm holding this thing. This is the only finger I can use to point. So I will just install. This is where the camera is gonna sit, obviously, and then that is it. So ta-da! I've mounted it on the stand. This was quite easy. I expected it to be tougher than this somehow, some way. It's just that I am a bit tired, so I just needed to install the camera stand, so the camera will sit on this thing over here. And obviously I'm shooting using my camera. I've got this thing from a small cell phone tripod I have, so I'm just gonna use this for my cell phone so that we can see. I've got my house lights on in this room. It's just a normal light, and then so here is the ring light on. I'm gonna just switch on the ring light now. Okay, this is the dimmable side of it. I'm sure you guys can't even see me. Okay, this is not even the brightest it can get. This is how bright it is. This is a bi-dimmable ring light, so it goes from white light to yellow orange light. So this is the white light. This is the brightest it can be, and then slowly I'm moving over to the yellow light. I'm going to figure it out as I go along, which light works best for me, blah blah blah. So now this is the lowest of the orange light, and then it goes up, 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 and then changes to the white light. I like the different brightness levels as well, because I'm sure obviously you don't need the same level of brightness when you're shooting like during the day and when you're shooting at night, so I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy that. I also like the fact that it is low heat. I actually didn't feel any heat coming from the ring light, which is great, because I can only imagine if I'm busy shooting a makeup tutorial and this thing is on my face and I'm sweating and all of that. So at least it didn't really give off any heat, which is perfect. I will update you guys as I use it, and I hope you guys see a difference in my videos when I start using it, because this is an investment for me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. I am going to link the website for camera stuff down below, where you can go and see all the camera things that they have. Their service was really quick. I have absolutely no complaints, and I look forward to using this ring light in future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.